You searched for how to buy shares of Protector Forsikring ASA, a Norwegian non-life insurance company traded on Euronext under the ticker PROT.OL. In this video, we'll show the practical steps to locate the stock. This is an educational demonstration only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and we will use eToro as an example to show the typical flow. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with a government ID, and then add funds to be able to place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker PROT.OL to find the listing. Select the matching Protector Forsikring ASA entry to open the correct instrument page. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the right stock. Make sure the listing title and ticker match Protector Forsikring ASA and PROT.OL. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled or executed at market open, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the trade is executed or scheduled, and you can monitor it there. A demo link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.